In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct sub-account. This is important because products, payments, and store settings are managed at the sub-account level. So you want to build everything in the right workspace from the beginning. Once you're in, go to the payments section. This is where you'll manage the financial side of what you plan to sell. From there, click on products, and then click on products again if needed to open the full product area. After that, select Create Product to begin setting up something you can offer through your online store. When the product setup page opens, turn on the option to include it in your online store. This makes the product available as part of your storefront experience, which is essential if your goal is to generate revenue directly through Gohighlevel. Next, add your product title. Keep it clear and specific so people instantly understand what they're buying. Then write your product description. This is where you explain the value of the offer in simple terms. A strong description helps buyers feel confident and reduces confusion before checkout. After that, enable the product label if you want the item to stand out visually. Labels can help highlight a product and make it easier for customers to notice featured offers. You'll also see visibility duration. This lets you control how long the product is shown, which can be useful if you're running a limited time promotion or seasonal offer. Then move on to product collection. This helps organize your products so your store stays clean and easy to browse. If you plan to sell multiple offers, good organization can make a big difference in the customer experience. Next, decide whether to include tax in the prices. This depends on how you want pricing displayed to your customers, so choose the option that best fits your business setup. After that, enter your prices carefully. This is one of the most important parts since it directly affects how you earn money from the product. If your product comes in different options, configure the variants. For example, this could apply to different versions, packages, or choices tied to the same product. Then review the search engine listing section. This helps control how the product may appear in search results, which can support visibility and traffic over time. Once everything looks good, click Save. At that point, your product is created and ready to become part of your monetization strategy inside Gohighlevel. The key is setting it up clearly, pricing it properly, and making it easy for customers to understand and buy.